Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Student, all of you are good and safe in your homes. All of you. That's good. Student, you have done your previous homework. Practice question related to book page 89. Total 6 question. I solve 3 parts for you people and the remaining 3 parts you people solve in your notebook. You people face any problem? No? That's good. Today we solve exercise 4.3, book page 90. Kindly open your book page 90. Hurry up. Book page 90, exercise 4.3. Okay, student, look at its first question. Solve 15 meter 65 centimeter minus 12 meter 45 centimeter. Question number 2, 75 meter 75 centimeter minus 37 meter 65 centimeter. Question number 3, subtract 39 meter 30 centimeter from 69 meter 85 centimeter. Question number 4, subtract 63 meter 23 centimeter from 85 meter 57 centimeter. Question number 5, 45 kilometer 800 meter minus 22 kilometer 135 meter. Question number 6, 75 kilometer 950 meter minus 57 kilometer 800 meter. Move toward question number 7. Subtract 15 kilometer 500 meter from 19 kilometer 700 meter. And question number 8. Subtract 25 kilometer 225 meter from 47 kilometer 505 meter. Student, is also your homework question 1 to 8. Question for question, student, for question number 1, question number 2, question number 5 and question number 6. You people follow the same method. You people follow for practice question of book page 89. Okay. And how can you people solve question number 3, 4, 7 and 8? Look at the board. I solve 2 questions for you people and you people solve the remaining questions. Okay. Student, when question is given in horizontal order and you people arrange it in vertically, most of the student arrange it incorrectly. Look at the board. A question is subtract 39 meter 30 centimeter from 69 meter 57 centimeter. Student, again the question is given horizontal order. You people arrange it vertically. When you people arrange this question vertically, most of the students write this question like this. 39 meter 30 centimeter minus 69 meter 57 centimeter, which is totally wrong. Look at to here. How can you people subtract 57 from 30? And how can you people subtract 69 from 39? How can you people subtract smaller number from the greater one? It's not correct, student. When question is given like this, you people just focus on the question here, clear, subtract this number. You people subtract this number, this is the second number, from this number, this is the first one. This number is the first one. So when you people arrange the question, you people write the question in vertical order. You people follow the same method, the given statement. The instruction given in the question. In the question, this point is clear. Subtract this number. This one is the second part. Second part of the question. From this number. This one is the first one. And the greater number. So, you people write this one. This number. This unit's number first. 69 meter. Like this. 69 meter, 57 centimeter. Then you people subtract this number, 39 meter and 30 centimeter. This is the question, student. If you people arrange the question correctly in vertical order, then your answer correct. If you people arrange the question incorrectly, how can your answer will be get correctly? So, then you people arrange the question in vertical order. First focus. What are the given thing in the question? What is mean by the question? Here in horizontal order question, in length, in capacity, in weight, in liter, in time, you people write the second number first. From question, subtract from. This number is the greater one. We write it first. Okay. Now we follow the same method we follow for subtraction. Okay. You people subtract 0 from 7. Hurry up. You people subtract 0 from 7. You get 7. That's good. 3 from 5. Hurry up. Easy. 3 from 5. Students. You get 2. Correct. 9 from 9. Same number. Cancel each other. Good. And 3 from 6. You get 3. Clear? Clear, student? No. When the question is given in horizontal order, you must like a statement at the end of the question. Like, what is the answer of subtraction called? What is the answer of subtraction called, student? Yes. Answer of subtraction is called difference. So, you people just write the difference is. The difference is 30 meter. 30 meter. How many centimeter? 27 centimeter. The difference is 30 meter, 27 centimeter. Clear, student? I solve one more question for you people. Okay. I solve question number 8 for you people. Okay. Look at the board. You people follow same method for question number 8 also. Okay, just we follow for question number 3. Question number 8 is subtract 15 kilometer, 500 meter, 15 kilometer, 500 meter, 500 meter from 19 kilometer, 19 kilometer, 900 meter. Sorry, 700 meter. Not 900, 700. Okay, 700 meter. The question is subtract 15 kilometer, 500 meter from 19 kilometer, 700 meter. Okay? No. Look at the board. Again, you people give the heading of solution. Write unit for yourself. Like kilometer, then meter. Okay? Yes. Again, student, question are given in horizontal form. You people arrange it vertically. You people arrange it vertically. When you people arrange the question, again look at question is given like this. Subtract this number from this number. And if you people look, 19 kilometer is greater than 15 kilometer. 700 meter is greater than 500 meter. If you people again write the question like this, 15 kilometer, 500 meter and 19 kilometer, 700 meter, how can you people subtract a greater number from the smaller one? You can subtract a greater number from the smaller? No. Here from come, which this point is cleared. You people write the lower number first. From this number, you people subtract the upper number. So we arrange the question 19 kilometer, 700 meter, and we subtract 15 kilometer, 500 meter. 500 meter. This is the given question. You people arrange. Question is given like this. Subtract 15 kilometer, 500 meter from 19 kilometer, 700 meter. When question is given in horizontal order and you people solve in solution, you people arrange it in vertical order. You people first write the second given quantity, units, and then you people subtract the first one quantity. Clear? Clear? If you people arrange the question correctly, then you people face no problem in the solution. And if you people write the smaller number at the top and you people subtract the greater number from the smaller number, then your answer will be definitely wrong. Okay? Clear? So, we arrange the number. Now we start subtraction. Okay? From our right side, from 0 we get 0. Again 0, 0 we get 0. From 7 we subtract 5, we get 2. Okay? And here from 9 you people subtract 5. Yes, 4. Same number cancel each other. Same number cancel each other. So when we subtract 15 kilometer, 500 meter from 19 kilometer, 700 meter, we get answer 4 kilometer, 200 meter. Clear? Yes. And we write the statement. Answer of subtraction is called difference. Answer of subtraction is called, this is question number 7, not question number 8, student. Okay. Solve question number 7 for you people, not question number 8. Okay. So, answer of subtraction is called difference. So, we write the difference is, the difference is 4 kilometer and 200 meter. You people solve question number 8 by yourself. I solve question number 7 for you people. Okay? Correct? Again, look at the board. When question is given in vertical or horizontal order, how can you people solve the question? First, read out the question. Subtract 15 kilometer, 500 meter from 19 kilometer, 700 meter. This is question number 7. Okay. Now, you people give the heading of kilometer and meter given unit in the question. You people arrange the question like this. You people write the second one number first. Okay. And you people when write the number, you people write the greater number, the second number first. Again, you people write the second number because the second one units are greater and you people subtract this one. This one subtract, mean minus sign is here. You people write it and okay here. Clear? First you people write this one number, then you people subtract this one number. You people check. You people need any borrow or not? You people need no borrow. You people just write the question and subtract directly. Okay, and one thing more, you people write the statement. The difference is 4 kilometer 200 meter. Answer of subtraction is called difference. That's why we write the difference. If the question is like this 8, then we write the sum. In addition, if you people write this number first and this number and second, answer not affected. But remember, in subtraction, if you people change its position, then your answer will be definitely wrong. You people can't subtract greater number from the smaller number. You always subtract smaller number from the greater one. If you people can't subtract, you people take borrow from the next door. Okay, this is the correct method. You people follow the same method for question number 8 and question number 5. I solve question number 4 and question number 7 for you people, question number 3 and question number 7 for you people. You people solve question number 4 and 8, follow the same method. Okay, and question number 2, look at your book, this is your homework. Do exercise 4.3, question 1 to 8 of book page 90 on rough copy. Again, learn table 2 to 7. If you people check your book, at the start I cleared this point. Open your book, exercise 4.3. Hurry up. Look at 4.3. You people solve this 2 question. We solve. Okay, already in practice question. Okay, same method follow. You follow for practice question. For question number 2, 1, 2, question number 5 and question number 6, and I solve question number 3 for you people. You solve question number 4 following same method, and question number 7 I solve for you people. Okay, you people solve question number 8, same method you people follow. Clear? Again, writing should be neat and clean. Revise the table on daily basis. Okay, underline the question. Okay, thank you.